Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to fix iPhone not showing up in iTunes. You can learn for solutions here. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone and computer. Press and hold either volume button and the side button. Slide to power off the iPhone. Then turn the iPhone on. Alright, you can also restart the computer to have a try. Solution to fix the issue on Apple Mobile USB driver. Head to iSunshare.com and find iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Download and install it on your computer. Open the software and choose Apple USB driver repair option. Click the Start button and soon the driver is repaired successfully. You can reconnect the iOS device to have a try. Solution 3. Reset location and privacy setting. Unlock your iPhone, tap Settings. Tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset Location and Privacy. Enter the screen passcode. Tap Reset Settings. Alright, the location and privacy setting are restored to factory settings. Solution for repair iTunes with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. After installing iOS Repair Genius, click to open it. Choose the iTunes Repair option. Click Repair iTunes Connection Issues. Your iPhone should be unlocked. Then click the Start button. Well, the repair process is ongoing. Wow, the iTunes is repaired successfully. And now the iPhone can successfully show up in iTunes. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.